There's also a bit of a wet day out there in the metro today. John Smith has a look at your forecast. John?
Yeah, we saw showers in the Albuquerque metro area. Meanwhile, up in the higher terrain across the northern mountains and up into Wolf Creek, we saw quite a bit of snow, and you can see the snow in and out through the late afternoon at Wolf Creek Pass, and we've actually started to see that snow develop over our northern mountains. Red River picking up a little bit of snowfall now, and we'll continue to watch some of that snow through the overnight. Winter storm warnings continue across the San Juans of Colorado through tomorrow, because we are going to continue to see a little bit of lingering snow through the day tomorrow as the back end of the storm system works its way through southern Colorado and New Mexico. Meanwhile, in the Rio Grande Valley, we have freeze watches in effect for tonight, as overnight lows will be diving to near freezing tonight as that colder air starts to settle in across the state. Right now in Albuquerque, 53 degrees, the current temperature, with an east wind at 6 miles per hour, with a few of those showers still in and around the Albuquerque metro area. Temperatures across the north into the 40s, down to the south into the 50s and 60s. We're still warmer across the far eastern edge of the state, where we're still ahead of that cold front, but eventually these areas will cool down throughout the day tomorrow. And you can see that cold front situated across the state. Behind it, much colder air in place. Temperatures a good 10 to 15 degrees below where we were this time yesterday. Ahead of that front, we're about even with where we were yesterday, but we are going to see that cool down as that front continues to make progress across the state. Right now, along the front, seeing some of those showers from the northeastern corner of the state just to the east of the Albuquerque metro area and extending into southwestern New Mexico in and around the Silver City area, seeing a good line of showers moving through as well. The storm system itself still situated north and west of the state. That's going to be moving north of New Mexico throughout the day tomorrow. So that's what's going to lead to some of that lingering snow across the northern mountains. Meanwhile, that cold front will continue to bring some of those showers across the eastern part of the state throughout tonight and into early tomorrow. That colder air takes place. Still watching for a couple of those snow showers tomorrow as well. Then on Tuesday, more sunshine across the state. The temperatures stay chilly, and then we start to slowly rebound those temperatures through the middle and latter part of the work week. In fact, by Friday, Albuquerque returning to 70 degrees for an afternoon high. But for tomorrow, it is going to be much cooler, into the 50s across the north, 55 degrees for Albuquerque, and down to the south, we're looking at temperatures still into the 70s across the southeast. Across southeastern New Mexico, it's going to be one of those situations where we start the day on the warmer side and actually hit our daytime high in the morning hours, and we're going to cool down throughout the afternoon. Albuquerque staying cool throughout much of the day, highs in the 50s for the next 2 days, and then we start to slowly warm temperatures back up into Friday, back to around 70 degrees. Overnight lows near freezing over the next few nights, and then back into the low 40s by the middle and latter part of the week.